One of the hardest skills as a forex trader is waiting. As a swing trader, I can wait for 1 week, 2 weeks before my setup can play out. That's why in this 2026, I decided to go for AI trading to get a bot that will trade for me as a day trading or a scalping trading while I continue for my swing trading. I've been analyzing this GPP since last week and I'm still waiting for the setup to come to my zone. Let's analyze this pair together. So on the yearly frame, so I mark out this zone because when you see this pair, GPP USD has been on a downtrend since 2008. All right, so here let's move to last year. So you can see that 2023 here, this is 2023 January, the market reached this zone, okay, and continue buying. You can see that on 2024 it retests back this zone. On, let's say, last year 2025, this GU was selling massively. So what did I do? I put my horizontal here on the last candle here and on the top of the last candle 2026. So let's go to 6 months. So right now you can see this is the last demand zone and this is the last supply. I'm using these two horizontal as my demand and supply because I'm a demand and supply trade. And the 3 months, this is 3 months candlestick. You can see that the market is still bullish. That's why that it has retraced here to this place. So when you check to this zone, you can see here the market reached this zone and refused to break and return back, and also touch this zone and refuse to break and return back. So I'm using this zone as my higher supply zone. Then on this inner place, so I will be waiting for market to retrace. When we go to the monthly time frame, you can see that this is the last high that caused this break of structure. Understand? So I mark out this last candle here to this place. You can see that the market came back, tap in, and continue its trade. On the weekly time frame, you can also see that the market is also bullish. So we will also look for to continue the trend, to trade with the trend. Check out this market. It's forming flag pattern. You can see that it's forming flag pattern. So this is where I'm looking to go for short on this trade. I see that market have already used this zone. I'm waiting for market to come back to retrace on this one before I can go in. I will look for a confirmation or I will set my buy limit on this zone before I will go for long. So I'll be placing my entry using the 4-hour time frame to spot out my entry and wait for confirmation before I will place this. If you remember at the beginning of this trade analysis, I mark out the last high and the last low of the yearly candlestick. So if the market tap me in here, I will leave this trade. Is a swing trading, I will leave it for market to stick to reach the last high of the yearly candlestick. This is a swing trading. It can take months before it will get here because it's on 4-hour time frame. You can know that one candlestick represents 4 hours. So as a swing trader, you wait for a long time before your setup can play out. So that's why we swing trader will watch multiple pairs, and if you're a day trader, you can just stick to 2, 3, or 4 pairs to follow. That's why I get the bot trading, the AI to use it for my swing trading. To use it for my day trading or scalping. Peace and love. If you have any question, kindly drop it on the comment section. Do well, like and follow for more trading updates.